Today guys, I'm gonna do unboxing of Hermes handbag, and this is the first true duplicate in my collection. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. And today I want to do unboxing of Hermes handbag. I got this handbag actually from the website. It's never ever in my life happened to me, like, you know, that you're actually clicking on some handbags on the website and you can purchase. And that's how it came to my house. Oopsie. So this is the actual packaging. You know, I already opened just to check, and I really gonna need your advice. They also include that magazine. There is also note over here, and it's quite interesting because in local boutique, you know, you cannot really return the items for money. I only ever once returned it for money because there was a defect on the handbags. And over here it says return policy of Hermes bags, which is specifically for the handbags. You are entitled to return any item ordered on hermes.com within 30 days of delivery if it is in original condition and packaging and accompanied by original receipt. And it says over here that we hope you will love your Hermes bag. When trying on your bag, please remove the dust bag and gently open bag flap and or pockets without removing any protective plastic seals, fabric covers, to ensure that all components of the bag are kept in its original condition. Please do not remove any of the seals, covers until you are sure of your purchase. Bags with the scratches and or damaged components will not be accepted for return or exchange. So this kind of interesting note over here. Oops. And then it's my receipt, and I will share the price. So let me actually remove from this huge Hermes box. So let's do it. And actually the other day I even posted on my Instagrams that I ordered something from the website, and it was actually rodeo, and I paid for it, like, you know, I put in my shopping cart, should I say. I purchased, I paid for everything, they confirmed my order, and then after some time they canceled my order. I was like, oh my goodness, what's happening? And then this bag, so I thought like most likely in, like, you know, a couple of hours they're gonna cancel my order, but they didn't. Oh, one more thing I want to point out: when it's from the website, it doesn't have any stickers, because normally on the handbags there is a stickers, and it comes also in box with a regular and it's here. And when you're gonna see the bag, you will like, oh, I know you love this bag. Ta-da! So this is Hermes Della Cavalleria in mini size, Epsom leather, color nata with palladium plated hardware. That's the beauty. And if you guys watch my channel in any case, you know how much I love my Della in gold. I got this at the end of 2021, so I have it for almost 2 years, and I really use it heavily. I absolutely love this handbag. I find it so practical for travel, etc. So I thought it would be also nice addition as a summer handbag, because I mean the gold color, clearly you can use it in summer, you can use it in winter, fall, all season around, but I thought like in color nata with palladium hardware would be a perfect addition to my summer collection. And also because I have this beautiful Hermes belt in white and silver, so I thought, like, you know, it's click-clack. So I thought it will be really nice. And I have also my Paris loafers in white and silver, and I thought it's gonna look nice. And see, most likely if camera won't be able to pick up, I'm not sure, but this is really white, and you see this nata. In real life, what's really strike me is that on the website it really looks very light, and right now the way I look at the camera, it's also really looking very light, almost close to white, but in real life it's really creamy. It's yeah, they call it nata in Spanish. It means cream, and yeah, it's pretty much like cream color. But what I'm not sure about this handbag, most likely I'm gonna come to the camera right now, I don't know, is it a color, because it's a light color, I'm not sure, so I need your opinion. If you have anything from Hermes in nata color, or I'm assuming also in gray color, does it show exactly the same? Because when I'm comparing stitches on my Della, I mean, when there is a double stitches, you can see also doubling over here, but I find that the stitches on this nata color kind of little bit let me just come closer, hopefully it will show. Let me just remove completely. See how the stitching over here, most likely I will put also picture, like see how they're doubling and they're not really a perfect. Then you see how this little piece sticking out a little bit more than the right side. Like you see, this one looks like a little bit longer. Once again, I hope it's focusing. You see how this one's sticking a little bit more. Then on the back also, I noticed that, like, I mean, of course it's clearly a handmade handbag, but I noticed that it's very hard to see, obviously in light color, but I noticed that the stitches are far away from perfection, and Hermes, they're always going on about their perfect stitches, you know. Then, like, you see how the leather is sticking over there. That's what I said. If it would have been like I purchased from the second market, I would have even questioned the authenticity of this handbag, because, like, you know, when I'm comparing with my Della in gold, like, see how smooth and neat it's on the inside, and in my gray it's totally different story. I don't know, maybe it's some, I don't know, yarn artisan did it. See how this part is sticking out. Once again, my Della is being used, and it's still, like, see how flat the back pocket on Della and how sticking is this one. My Della, even the back pocket, though I use it already heavily, you know, I travel and everything, but it's still flat. And see how this back pocket, I didn't even use it yet, but it's kind of, it's maybe hard to see on the camera, but it's kind of already like poking out. Like, you see how it's slightly poking out already. See how glue over here almost sticking out. I'm not sure, is it me just trying to be so picky, or I'm not sure. See once again how the leather is picking out, like poking out over there. Just want to make sure that it's in focus. See how the leather is poking out over there. I mean, I love the color, the same story. This side is a little bit better, but the other side it's even worse. As I said, this part is sticking out. Like, you see how this part is shorter, and this one, the back part, is sticking out more. So as I said, guys, I'm not sure, because, like, you know, this is not my first Della. This is my second one, and when it was in nata color, I was so excited. Oh, I totally forgot to show you on the inside. Even on the inside, I find that it's kind of like, you know, not as perfect, you know, as my gold. I don't know, either I'm trying to be so picky, I don't know, but even right now when I look at it, I find it's you know, far away from perfection. And you know, I think Hermes, they pride themselves of really not rushing up their production. That's why we are waiting for these handbags for so long. And you know, right now I can see that the quality is a bit suffering. And if it would have been my first Della, I would have said, oh yes, because it's not Quota bag, maybe they don't pay much attention. And actually these kind of shapes, it's very, very hard to do. In fact, I did video. I wish if I knew about Hermes, these things before I start shopping at Hermes, maybe I'm gonna link it over here. That this kind of roundish shapes handbags is very, very hard to do, like Constance or Della. And I knew when this handbag was introduced that the price of this handbag versus the quality design, I knew it's really exceptional deal. And also the price increased by $1,000 Canadian before taxes, because for this one in end of 2021, about 2 years ago, I paid 5,900 Canadian plus HST. This one right now 6,900 Canadian plus HST. So it means in Toronto we have 13% taxes. So it means this one with the taxes already $1,130 more than I pay for this one. So as I said, I'm not sure. I'm really struggling over here, so please put your comments below. I love the color, I love combo, I love the handbag, but I find that the price increased by 1,000, but the quality seems to me slightly dropped. So this is not so perfect unboxing. I wish if I could have a better news for you guys, but that's how it looks like. And it looks like it's very sad, but it looks like maybe I'm gonna return this handbag, because as I said, like, you know, it's very hard to see on camera, but you know, let me just try to show again. You see how the stitches are far away from perfection? There's like almost little kind of like cutting of the leather, not perfectly. And what bothering me the most, that the edges also not equal. Like you see how this part is really sticking out more. I don't know. Stitches over here. I know maybe someone will say like, oh my goodness, she's so picky. But I mean, come on, like you see like gathering of the leather inside. Alrighty guys. So that's about it for today. So please let me know what you think. Should I keep it or should I return it? Please put your comments below. So that's about it for today. It doesn't look like it's going to be a happy story for me. I still have some time to think about it. But you know, I always say, if at very beginning you already have some kind of doubts, like, you know, about your purchase, it's not a happy story. You really should be extremely excited the moment you open your you know, box of delivery, and should be like over the moon about your new handbag. But if you see some kind of imperfection, and I know people saying that, oh, it's so hard to get Hermes handbags right now, and it's not even like Quota bags, any handbag from Hermes, it's almost impossible to get. But I'm thinking, like, if you pride yourself of not having like fast fashion and like, you know, you take your time on the production, it should be perfect or nearly perfect. In this handbag I find so many things that is far away from perfection, and I have something to compare because I already have Della. So, and as I said, I love Della so much that when I had the chance to purchase this one on the website, I thought, like, you know, I hit the jackpot, especially in this combo, you know, for summer, but apparently not. Apparently not. Anyway, that's about it for today, guys, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.